Tensei shitara slime Datta Ken, the time I got reincarnated as a slime or Tensura, is licensed and produced by Lantis, Bandai Namco Arts, Micro Magazine Publishing and Funimation. Studios 8-Bit Networks, Tokyo MX, BS11, TVK and MBS. Based on the works by Fuse. Please support the official release. Hello there, YouTube Jack here with more Tensei shitara slime Datta Ken, the time I got reincarnated as a slime, episode 5? 4? Which one actually is this? I lost track. My bad. 5, yeah. Woohoo! So, last time. Actually, if I just gone over last time, I think I would have immediately realized that it was episode 5. Anyway, we went to the Dwarf Kingdom place, which is actually more of a mixed race kind of thing, since everybody is welcome, which is a nice change for once, because I feel like usually there's this whole everybody thinks that they are the supreme race kind of racism sort of thing going on in these fantasy settings. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Anyway, where Rimuru basically helped out a little bit, first by providing some healing potions and then by just magically copying a bunch of super awesome swords. Because Rimuru is OP like that. It was fun though. And then we kind of ended at the brothel or something. Doesn't matter, really. And then a mysterious person stepped up. No idea who it is, but I suppose we will find out. So yeah, let's get into this. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, dang it. I hate it when an episode starts out with the opening. I mean, I just talked about last time and now I have nothing left to say, really. At least if there's a little bit of a segment before the opening, I can talk about that. Are these two actually the same person? I wonder. Or maybe that's just supposed to reflect different personalities of sorts. Like the hero wearing the mask and the girl behind the mask sort of thing. It's kind of curious that we haven't really seen any of the people in the opening yet. You know, other than the Goblins and the Wolf, but they're only there for a fraction anyway. And strictly speaking, we haven't even seen the Rimuru character yet. Okay, we've seen Verudora. That's it, but Hero King. Gazel Dwargo. Well, yeah. Pay attention to the fact that they made copies. That they made copies, though. No, I think it's just more or less impressive. And that too. He lives the mug somehow. Wow. What a charmer. I suppose it is. I would say in general. Yeah, who cares about Gupta? Not even Gupta cares about Gupta. Whatever this is. Oh, it's probably something amazing. How does that even work with a slime? Fortune telling. Disappointment. By the way, last time I said that Rimuru in a way is kind of genderless, or with no defined gender, but I get that he is male at heart. You know, that's that much I can't tell, okay? This is gonna be this explosive big fortune with an amazing future. Apparently, waving your hands has a big effect on these kind of crystal balls. Those are some amazing expressions. And I guess that's gonna be Miss Hero, then? Oh yeah, maybe she's also one of those people who wandered up here. I mean, who wouldn't? Ooh, that evil Duke type person. Whatever, whoever, I forgot. Minister. Like, I think the music already that you gotta play for him there. Eh. Well, that's too bad for you. Yeah, pretty much sounds like it. Then again, he was just too prideful to decline the not the offer, you know, to refuse it. That's what I was saying. I mean, apparently they do. Well, he's anything but harmless, but well. Well, I guess she has a bit of a conflict of interests here. I mean, can't he absorb it? Did it now? I mean, you're not a citizen. Fruit one. Don't care right now. Apparently, short temper doesn't matter. Not the face, go for the body. Wow. Like, no fucks given, just punch him down. I mean, You kind of just screwed yourself over, or rather, maybe because you had hoped to accompany Rimuru anyway while he did it. So, I guess we gotta bust him out now. I mean, fair enough. Like, not that they've got a choice in that matter. Trial. Back in the same cell, really? You know, I'm pretty sure, again, Rimuru could bust you out if you want to. Sweet. I've said it before, I love the type of comedy. Probably. Unless Mr. Minister pulls some ropes. Strings. Whatever. Sounds big. Probably. Bit of a technological revolution, or what? Oh, that doesn't look good, I guess. That's a big boom. Well, I guess that just makes him all the more unlikable. Well, I guess that's a guy who doesn't know when to quit. I mean, he effectively won, you know? That's fair. So I guess you could still say first party member acquired. Nah, yeah, I see them more as tag-alongs. That kind of looks more like he's giving them the finger. Well, isn't that sort of a good thing? This guy's way too sleepy. Pretty much, yeah. Mind if we leave you here? It's just mean, yeah, it really is kind of. Yeah, why? We're just gonna leave me. Oh wait, we're actually just gonna go to Troll. Well, let's see if this doesn't backfire somehow. Ooh. The king himself. Well, not like you can bow down, so... Well, he looks neat. I'm rising, yeah. Sure, I guess simplifies things. Well, don't you look like a nice guy? Well, it seems like a really good idea to use a proxy then, if they can be bought. Yeah, he kinda does seem like one. Death? Yeah, we can't have that. I mean, we gotta go on a great adventure. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, he spoke up. Or not? Still so polite, despite a rigged trial. Kinda interesting choice of music going on right now. Well, he sure's got his pride. Also, didn't that guy just totally speak without the king's allowance sort of thing? Ooh, nice workaround. Oh, despite everything, huh? This is seems like a very interesting situation overall. Hot damn! I'll say this is overall a very unexpected development. Yeah, but this was refined by Rimuru himself. Oh yeah. That is kind of a big loss, isn't it, when you think about it like that? Yeah. Which is honestly amazing. Like, you could have just made this guy some boring, detestable villain for the audience to hate, but like, you actually gave him clear and understandable motivations there. Now, isn't that amazing? That sure was actually a lot more dramatic than I thought it would be. Like, seriously. What the hell? Only work him to death. Seriously, what's gonna happen to Gupta now? I mean, honestly, for all I care, he could be stuck in that prison forever, but seems like a dark thing to do. Yeah. So I guess all's well that ends well. I like this guy. I like this guy so much already. He's not fooled that easily, is he, huh? Yeah, well, they're kind of siblings-ish now under a new name. Did we have that ending before? I don't think so. Or maybe, after all, since we seem to be getting a lot of backstories for all the people. Oh, hey, that's the one in the suit, isn't it? Yep. I kind of wish they wouldn't give so much away. Like, that goes for both the opening and the ending. Part of me really wishes they had made a separate opening that didn't sort of show the whole party there, or especially give away sort of that Rimuru can turn into a human person looking like thing. So this episode was amazing for a myriad of reasons, wasn't it? It wasn't not as much the usual comedy style, but it was deep in a way. Like, seriously. This minister dude, he is a bad guy. Though I suppose he had good intentions at some point, perhaps. Maybe just they had been a bit twisted over time. And you know, they say the road to hell is paved with good intentions. But, I mean, he also, in a way, just kind of got his, got the other dwarves there. I need to add them to the name list. He just got them, like, sentenced to 20 years of work in the mine, and, you know, the other ones for 10 years. So that's not a joke either, that you can just pass off. But he seemed really genuinely shocked that they were exiled there in the end. And especially just the pure horror of disappointing the king there. Just seems to me like he's not necessarily just some self-serving asshole, which you could have easily made him. You could have easily made him just that, a pure detestable villain that's never gonna be mentioned again afterwards. Like, just a guy to be punched down once and progress forward. But in a way, they kind of made him a really deep character there. I mean, I don't sympathize with him. He was an asshole. He completely bought the proxy dude. He got them sentenced to 10 years and 20 in mines. That's not a joke. But kind of the main thing that appeared this episode is, as the title suggested, the freaking hero king. Dude was amazing there at the end. I mean, he kind of just played along with the trial there, even though he knew that the proxy was bought, or you know, he was able to tell at least at some point. But yeah, if I, as the judge, or you know, just as an onlooker, were to listen to the trial and the defendant goes on about how his clients are guilty as charged, I mean, that could work as a strategy, but clearly not in this case. So yeah. But still, I mean, I love the fact that he effectively punished the minister because they lost Rimuru as an asset. That's the fact that he realizes how much of an asset Rimuru would have been, and at the same time how much of a threat he could be now that they are no longer, you know, allied in some sense. I mean, we've had this with the Goblins, that he exhausts some sort of terrifying aura or whatnot, but apparently he has that suppressed now, so keen eye on the Hero King for being able to tell. And, you know, I mean, Rimuru going by the opening is eventually gonna free Verudora too, so there's that. And yeah, like, they're kind of sworn brothers now, since they share a last name. Which is also fun. I like the freaking Verudora Storm Dragon person thing, dragon, kind of has been a bit of a joke thus far in the one episode. It's appeared just like this imprisoned tsundere type of character, but he's like a freaking terror of everyone. And Rimuru kind of is on the same level, isn't he? There's so much to look forward to in this goddamn show. I've said this before, but I'm so down every time an episode is over and I'm back to having to wait another week. This is the kind of show that I would marathon in one day if I had found it. you know, after it was done airing. It's just exactly the stuff I love. I love the comedy, this kind of like, you know, straight man act in a sense. The visuals and music is pretty good. Not groundbreaking, I'd say, but good. And all that, it's just fun to watch. Back to waiting. Curses. Anyway, that will have to be all for now, so until next time, see you then. Bye.